Alright, we're going to give you a free tip Friday on this Saturday. You're doing upper ball joints on 2005. I don't know what other years it's the same, but in Ford's infinite wisdom, he put these bolts up here. Focus. So you got to pull the shock to get them out. Well, that bolt, that nut is the 33. That's the 31, and that's a pain in the ass. That is a 22, and the bottom bolt's got a, the stud has got a hex on it, so you got to use 2 wrenches to get it out. If you fiddle fart around with it, you can see that's beat a little bit. You can get that out, that whole arm drops. So you just pull those 3 bolts there on the top for the shock. And then stick your pry bar here, pull that out. That will drop down. You can get your bolts out, put your new upper control arm in. And then you ain't got to fiddle fart with that thing. I did the other side with that bolt. That was dumb. So, there you go.